Okay, since everybody's playing the tu maine game over here, let me begin by saying it's been an absolute pleasure working with Amar. I first heard from him when she gave him my number because we worked on a film before. I was at the time in UP working on sort of a reality film, sort of a hard-hitting women power kind of film, which was celebrating it, having fun with women power, was really a change because I've done a lot of roles that have really strong women characters doing serious things. So I took it up, and for me, one of the most magnetic draws was the fact that I was going to be working with this very special lady. I have seen her, admired her, and this was one opportunity that I was going to get to work with her. I have worked with this wonderful woman over here. And Kim, I had never had the pleasure of meeting, and she did definitely make her working with her all the same, like through the film, completely memorable. And made you and the rest of the cast, the guys, they were so charming. We love you. You guys made the film, all of you.
Speaking of which, I mean, just because the film's name is Kudiyon Ka Hai Zamana, what about the guys? Please, guys, you need to come on the stage right now. Like right now, please. Yeah.
So these wonderful, handsome men that are here really made our experience absolutely memorable. We could flirt with them, they didn't care. They enjoyed us and we enjoyed them. So this was Kudiyon Ka Hai Zamana for me. Thank you.
I don't know when you escaped, but they should put you back in really soon. It's been a wonderful experience doing this film. It was really nice to work with sure of themselves that, you know, we could do nothing really but just have a lot of fun because there wasn't room for anything else. And I want to thank Amar for being such an absolute sweetheart on the sets, handling 4 women at any point in time and pampering us and spoiling us. You for spoiling us and uncomplicated and fun and encouraging great sport and singing for us when we needed her to and being sweet and loving. And of course Rekha ji for just being, and how could we do without you? Eye candy, and we had lots of fun, and I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun watching the film too, so one step further and when it releases, go watch it. And thank you once again.
Yeah, a great moment for me, especially for my director Amar. He's very, very excited, and I think that's what I lived off. It was his excitement.
Fabulous, fabulous goodies. Mahima, yes, my daughter. Behave yourself. But she's hardly, I don't want to get away with that, you know, it is the story. But, and of course, Vasu for no, seriously, she really did inspire me. If it was not for her, I wouldn't have sung even half as good or bad. But, she's such a joy to be with, and she is also like a daughter to me. I don't know, better believe it. She said some wonderful things about me right now, so